Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today I have something really exciting to bring to you. It is from our good friend. I call him the governor. It is from Mike Lane. This is really exciting. This is an unboxing video. So as you can see, I have not yet pulled the seal. So this is the first time I am opening the box with yourself. So I'm going to experience this as I go with yourselves. So I really hope you're gonna enjoy this, as I probably will be. Yeah, it's been a long time holding off my build, waiting for this. So I would like to thank Mike. I'm really grateful for him sending me this to have a look at. So a lot of these, what would you call these? Packaging, which that looks good. So that's the ultimate electronic kit. All nicely sealed, amazing packaging as always. Right. So we have a little thank you message from Mike. Oh yeah, I strongly recommend you going over to his website, and his website will be linked. And as always, some jelly beans, jelly bears. So that's all that comes in this box. As you can see, there's nothing else. Let's just put these things aside. Let's have a look at our packaging. I'm going to just get something to open that up. Let's just get this open. So this is for the 1/8 scale kit from Fanhome. We'll replace all the electrics, as you can see. And what's all this? Looks like Darth Vader's bathroom. Must be something from see that? The Knight Rider show. There's a lot of components in here. That I will be doing a tutorial on how to install all these components, but so far that's amazing. Wow. Oh wow. So you get that now all in one piece. Crazy. Very impressive, I have to say. There's a ribbon here. More components, panels. There's some lenses, I believe, if you want to turn it into Carl or Kitt. Some instruction there. This is truly amazing. This is all the cabling. These must be the rear lights, now with indicators and reverse lights. Some more cables. I believe there is a USB-C cable in there too. And wow, even a replacement speaker. That's see all that, and all high quality from what I can see. Look at that amazing touch. Remote looks really good. Nice click with the sound of it. Had to make it, but you could hear the click. Oh, it's nicely in the hand. And yeah, so that's what comes in the box. I will be installing this very soon, and I would like to thank Mike again for sending us this. As I can tell from what I can see, it looks a lot of high quality parts, and can't wait to get this installed. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you could do us a big favor, if you could head over to Mike Lane's website, which I will be listing in our description. It's Mike Lane's Mods, I believe.com. And if you could hit the like and subscribe to our channel, that would help us a lot. I really look forward to seeing you all later, and thanks again for watching. Bye.